Hi everyone, welcome to Organic Creations. I hope you all are doing fine today. So today's video is a requested video by many people asking me to make a very lightweight cream, gel based cream. So today we are going to be making a very lightweight moisturizing cream for getting that very soft after effect. You can use it on your hands, you can use it on your legs, you can use it on your body. It's basically a body cream, not just for your face. So we'll quickly start with the making. Here I have my water phase. Now in my water phase I have my water and I have my Sepimax Zen. That's the gelling agent which I have used for this cream that we are going to be making today. If you have xanthan gum clear, you can also go ahead and use that. For exact proportions of these formulations, these advanced formulations, you all can definitely join my workshops and learn how to make this if you want to sell your products or if you want to use it for yourself. Basic cream formulation is going to be shared in the description box. Here we have our oil phase ingredients. In my oil phase I have my emulsifying wax, I have my thickeners, I have a little bit of stearic acid, I have almond oil for moisturizing the skin. So these are the ingredients which I have in my oil phase. Now I will go ahead and heat both these phases and we'll make our cream. So I've gone ahead and heated both the phases here, and now I will go ahead and add the water phase into my oil phase. And we'll go ahead and give this a good blend. So now the Sepimax Zen basically gives a very nice gel-like consistency to your cream, which gives you an absolutely non-greasy finish on your skin. Okay, so after blending, this is the consistency what we have here. We have a very nice lightweight cream consistency here. And now we'll go ahead and add our extracts to this. I have gone ahead and added rose extract to this cream, and we'll just give it a mix. You can add any other extracts of your choice, whichever you wish to, depending on your skin type. And we'll go ahead and add our preservative. For the preservative, I've gone ahead and added phenoxyethanol. It's a very broad spectrum preservative to preserve your product, and we will give it a nice mix. Okay, finally I'm just going ahead and adding a few drops of fragrance oil here. I have used Japanese cherry blossom for this cream, and I will show you all how lightweight this cream feels on the skin. If you all can see the texture, it has a very beautiful soft texture, and on application, when you apply this cream, it is so lightweight, just feels like a gel being applied on the skin, just like a gel cream, and it gets very easily absorbed into the skin. It leaves an absolutely non-greasy finish on your skin. In case anyone would like to learn all these advanced formulations, you all can contact me on the WhatsApp number in the description box. And if you do like my videos, if you like what I share with you all want me to come up with much more variations, please do like, subscribe and share my channel with your friends. Thank you everyone.